Alrighty people, here we are in the backyard. Another dry ice experiment. We have the dry ice in container here. We have a milk jug, some water bottles, a little funnel, and we have our three scientists here.
Sit.
So let's start with you. You're the oldest. We're gonna pour the dry ice into the milk jug, put a little water in it, and then put the balloon on top. What do you think is gonna happen?
I think the carbon dioxide will make the balloon rise.
Okay, it's gonna inflate the balloon. Okay, William. Okay, Clark.
I too think it's gonna inflate the balloon.
You think it's gonna inflate the balloon?
Yeah, make it rise.
Okay. Clark, what do you think is gonna happen?
I think it's gonna explode the balloon, and I'm gonna go either up there on the basketball hoop. The basketball net, or it might go on the ground.
Okay. All right, we shall see. I need someone to hold the camera for me.
I'll do it.
Okay. And so you can, which side are you gonna stand on? Okay. Come on over here. Oh, okay. So you can go that way too. Put my trusty gloves on.
Mhm.
Trusty, but might not be that trusty.
Maybe what?
Might not be that trusty.
Well, better than my hands, bare hands. Okay, so we're gonna take this balloon off.
The metal actually is frozen.
Hmm?
The metal looks like it's frozen.
Okay, a little bit more.
Clark, point the camera to everything.
Sit there.
You almost got it on you.
Hey, how you doing with the recording camera?
Good.
Okay.
Get the big piece. Wait, that would have fit.
Not gonna fit, you're correct with that.
You can hold it. My hands are getting tired. Can you? My hands are getting so tired. Thank
Okay,
you.
so we have the dry ice. We can already see that it's kind of pouring out.
That was turned.
Okay, the gloves work.
If they didn't,
Then I'd be not happy right now. So I don't even know that we need to add water to the mix, because you can see the ice is automatically turned into the gas, which is evident with this here. So we're just gonna go ahead and put the balloon on. Moment of truth.
Now we'll get bigger. Yeah, it's getting bigger.
How about that?
Me and Ethan are correct. Now let's see if Clark is right and says it pops.
So I don't know that it would pop, but if something's not holding this tight, then eventually the balloon, if it's tight, then the balloon will eventually pop. If it's not tight, then it would fly off somewhere. And if that were the case, then it would kind of prove Clark correct as he tries to trip me up with the stick right here. So, we have success, seems like. Just show mommy really quick. Okay, watch the show. Okay. She's already a scientist, so she's less concerned with the science of the matter. So us learning this here for the first time. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think, Ethan?
It's nice.
William? Uh-oh. What do you think, Clark?
Cool. I want it to blow off.
I'm not gonna do that. So the gas is, we have the solid carbon dioxide inside the milk jug, and then as it's hitting the air, it turns into a gas version of carbon dioxide, which is filling up the balloon. And there's a mogwai over there, so making noise. Thank you, sir. So, I guess this concludes the experiment. William and Ethan, y'all were correct in your hypothesis. It did inflate the balloon. So, from the Palmer Kid Adventures,
It's time for me to go on my bike ride.
Me too.
William, come explain what happened.
Alright, so
Where's my bike?
somewhere here. So what happened is that going stop. So we put the we put the dry ice inside the milk jug that's empty, and it started putting all the air or gas out because it started hitting the air as he explained, and I can hear it getting louder, and might
Well, that is it, yeah. Sounds like a tea kettle.
yeah, might pop soon.
Oh, maybe. That was a dog, okay.
No, that's still out.
Here, record. Hold the camera, please, Ethan. I'll take the balloon off and then put some water in here.
Now we have a balloon full of gas. Now is this the gas that likes to float?
Well, I mean, gas by definition
Can you turn my shoes?
floats, right?
So if you let go, it'll go up.
No, okay, so it's not helium.
Oh.
So helium and hydrogen, that's what you're talking about. If it's a gas, will it cause a balloon to float? No, helium and hydrogen explosive, inflammable. Helium, not so much. What they used to do, well, they had a blimp called the oh, we have another balloon. You want this one, Ethan? Nah, again, not helium. Do not go unraveling it and trying to make your voice sound squeaky, squeaky. It's not what you want to do that with. Die from that.
Carbon dioxide? That's okay.
And so now, what we've done, put water in here. Let's see if it
Clark, get
inflates
over here.
even faster. Hello.
Oh yes, getting faster.
No, I don't think so.
Where's my blue bike without training
Maybe.
wheels? I think I'm ready. Without the training wheels? I think
I'll teach you when we're done.
Now, is there gas swirling around in there?
I don't see it.
Oh yeah. Is it this bike?
No, that's Dad's. I think.
The blue one?
No, that's for when you get a little bit bigger. The other one. You can have.
Where's my another blue one?
So, Ethan, you
Let's
want to
give it
explain
a
what
second.
happened?
Oh, I found
The
my
carbon
blue one.
dioxide made the balloon
I
rise.
found it.
Man of very few words. Carbon dioxide made the balloon rise.
Come on, Gordon. Let's go. I'll carry you.
Wait, William.
Goldie,
You forgot to tie
Goldie.
my shoes.
you want to tell what happened? What happened here, Goldie?
Boom.
You can hear it. Clark, what happened here?
So, so Ethan and William were right because when the balloon came on,
You hold it,
it
please.
started rising up, and then,
And then when we added water to the dry ice, it actually inflated the second balloon faster than the first. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
getting my bike, the blue one without training wheels.
Are you ready for that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not teaching. Hold on. Very still. This is the only time that I will. Not the only time, but I will.
What
This
are you
is.
recording, Mark? You gonna get him? I have a balloon.
Ooh, balloon. I don't see anything.
About to pour some more water in.
I sure smell something.
Let's take a look on the inside.
I tried. I cannot.
No, inside of the
Oh,
bottle.
the jug. Yeah, I knew that.
See all those? Probably because there was a wee bit of milk on the inside.
What if I pop this?
Then it will release the gas into there. You brought the dog back in?
No, I would like
I tell you, you kids today, your attention span is like that of a goldfish or something that has very short attention spans. It's the first time I ever had dry ice. If I'd been able to do this when I was a kid, I'd be happy for about 12 hours. All right, guys. Thanks for your time and your
Bye.
Clark.
Bye.